Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new Gmail account. So stick around until the end to learn all the steps and tips to set up your new email quickly and easily. So let's get started. To start the process of creating a Gmail account, open your preferred web browser and go to Gmail sign-in page. You can do this by typing Gmail into the search bar, or you can directly enter mail.google.com in the address bar. And once you're on the Gmail sign-in page, you will see an option to log in if you already have an account. And since here we are creating a new account, look for Create Account button, which is usually located below the login field. Now when you click on this button, you will be asked whether you want to create an account for yourself or for business purpose. So you can choose the option that best suits your needs. And you can choose any option from these three. I'm going with for my personal use. And after selecting the account type, you will be taken to a form where you need to enter your personal information. First, you have to add your name. Now, your first and last name will be used in your email communications. So, add your first and last name and then click on Next. And next, you will be provided with your birth date and gender. Google uses this information for account security and personalization. For example, your birth date can help Google to ensure that you're old enough to use their services, and may also be used to tailor ads and content. So add your date of birth here and then add the gender over here. After that, click on Next. Now Google gives you the option to add a recovery email address. These recovery options are important because if you ever forget your password, Google can send a password reset link to this email address. While these steps are optional, you can see we have here the skip button, but it is highly recommended for keeping your account secure. So add your recovery email over here if you want to add, and if you want to skip, you can skip it as well. Now you can see this is the review account information. Now this is the information which I'm going to use whenever I want to sign into my account. And now to create a Gmail account, you will need to agree to the terms and services. So scroll to the bottom and tap on I agree. And with that, your Gmail account is now created. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.